Hello everyone, welcome to Matplotlib. So then in a previous session we moved to the pie chart plot. So today we'll be moving to the another plotting diagram in a matplot, because as we know the matplot is always talk about the plotting. We are just working with a different type of variety of plotting on that. So today one of that variety we choose a scatter plot. The name of that variety is scatter plot. So scatter plot is like a dot type of plots. Here also we'll be just going with the things to see that how the scatter will be working. Let's move to importing part. So import matplot lib dot pyplot as plt. So this is the two way I just show you to import. In the previous day, if you remember, I just imported the things with from matplotlib import pyplot as plt. It will be your plt. So the same way how you go with this, we just go with import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. So that's your use, how you have to import the thing. So we need this only for that. We don't want any numpy on that, so we just go with this plotting. Let's move to just grade with let's go with the class wise to do the plotting on that. So I'm going with the class A, and then I just go with some grades on that for the class A. Whatever grades I feel to give for those particular plots, I can give that's your wish, out of hundreds or out of 200s, what you have to give the values. So I'm going with the things to them. So 56 random values I'm taking it. So total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I'm just taking total 10. The same way we are just taking it the 4. So class B grades grades, and then once again the 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then move to class C. Class C, and then move to grids grades grids. Here also we are going to give the 10 values. 78 10, going with the thing 23 45 90 29 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 done. One more class will create it, that class D of your grades. So for the D also we are just moving towards to the grade. We are giving the 10 values here as well. So yep, so I'm just giving some random values on that. Yeah, so values I already gave some particular random values out of 100, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 100. So 4 classes are created properly. After this we just go with the data, where we have to store the fig. So data equals to plt dot figure figure. We are going with that. After when we finish with the figure, we just go with the x's, right? So go with x equals to like what the data we uses. So data dot add x's, you have to add the x's, axes. So when you go with this, giving the x's values, like how, because we need the 4 like xyz and then the fully like one scatter box type of look. So that's why you always give the values on 4 0 0 1 1. Like this will be the box where to see that our plots on that. For that we are giving our x's on that to show the proper way. Now move to the things will be the scatter. So from here the important, like we are using a scatter method here. So SCATTER scatter method. Here we'll be passing all the things like what you use there to give them the grades on that, or to give them the all the things the force. So here we already give this 4. Now one more thing, like range, we have to give the class range, right? So one is class 1. Just I'm going with class range. So we need to give the range, like how from where to where you need to give. So I'm giving the range 10 20 30 40 50 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So that will be the difference where we'll be getting the values on that, like the range I'm giving. Here inside the scatter, like we need to give the all the names of that, like from where to from range, and then the colors also you need to give that particular scatter. So the first thing we need to give the name of this. So we just take it first, this copy, just 4 times we need it. So I'm just copy this one to give the 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, inside that first this thing is needed, class range for all the same. So we are just going with the class range here, 1, 2, here 3, here 4. So class range is done. So after the class range we are moving to one by one. Like after class range we just go with comma, and then we are going with the name of that, like whatever the names you need to, like we use is class A grade. So I'm just taking it from the name because it's a case sensitive. So whatever the name you just here you declare for the variable name, use the same variable name here. Then for the next scatter, for that I need this particular area, so I just go with comma and I'm just using this. For the next also we need the same thing, so we just change it there as well in a name. So here also we need the same thing, so it will be C here, back C, and it will be D here. So all the grades are done. Now the colors, like what colors you need to see the scatters like. So I go with the color. The first one I need to see in a green, so I give green. The next one, the color COLOR, color equals, I need to see in a blue, I just give a blue. The next I just going to color COLOR, color equals to, we can go with blue is done, we can go with red as well, and then we are having one more, so going with the color, yeah, so we can give here, we have green, blue, red, yellow as well, so you can give Y there. So all the grades are done, the colors are like the scatters are particular scatters are done. Now just give the leveling on that. So x dot set x level, set x level, so LABEL x level, I'm just using x on that particular x level, and then we are just setting the y level, so x dot set y level, so YLABEL level, and just moving towards to the y. After this, when you're done with this, we just go with the title, x dot set title, set, and then TITLE, the title we can give whatever, so scatter, so I'm just giving. So we can run this particular area. When you run, you will get the output on this. You can observe there it will be in a 10 times, and the colors are like what you used for this green, blue, red, yellow. It will be showing there with the green, blue, white, green, blue, red, yellow, and it gives you the scatter plot. So this is how you have to use scatter plots in a Matplotlib.